Hello everybody, welcome in today's video on how to download Red Dead Redemption 2. So, what we want to do is stick in Google Red Dead Redemption 2. Simply click on enter, after that you will get a lot of search results. So, the first result is Rockstar Games, it's the official game maker's website, you can go to there. But what you also can do is scroll a little bit more down and after that you will find the Steam link. Enter that and once you have entered the game page, you will see you will get a big discount on this game of 60%. So just view some videos about this game, check out some screenshots, read some information and check out the requirements for your computer. After you have decided to buy this game, then you can simply click on add to cart now, click on view my cart, and after that just sign in to finish the purchase process. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe and let us know in the comments which video game you want to see next. See you guys, bye bye.